Any mention?
May it please, Your Honor?
Yes.
Your Honor, we beg to make a joint mention of item 19.
Yes.
Your Lordship, a prayer for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
Lordship, is a joint prayer.
Joint prayer of the parties, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
May it please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, 17, 18, connected matter.
Yes.
I pray for listed to be after 3 weeks.
We have no objection, Lordship.
It is on prayer made on behalf of the petitioner, list after 3 weeks. Yes.
All right.
Must hold.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
That is that.
That is that visa matter, Lordship.
This has become a never-ending thing. The court by now has forgotten everything, all the arguments,
They have been taking time
again and again.
again and again.
The prayer of the petitioner, not objected to by the learned. Additional senior G, list after 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship. May it please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 14 and 15.
Lordship, I am appearing for the petitioner in item number 15.
14 and 15.
14, 15.
Yes.
2 weeks' time may be given, Lordship, for filing affidavit.
In both the matters,
Yes, Your
you are
Lordship.
appearing for?
Respondent 3 and 4.
Newly implemented.
Newly completed respondent.
Okay. On prayer made on behalf of the newly implemented respondent number 3 and 4. How much time you need?
2 weeks' time,
2 weeks
Lordship.
time is granted for filing affidavit of knowledge.
Much obliged.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 6 of the main list, Lordship. Lordship, I am praying if this matter can be taken up next week, Lordship. Conducting counsel, Mrs. Ardatta, Lordship, has some personal difficulty today, Lordship.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, this is regarding disciplinary
What is that
proceedings,
service matter?
Lordship. Service matter, Lordship.
May you please stay, Lordship?
There is some instruction needed in this matter? No.
No,
Not this. This is also a long pending matter.
Lordship. I am praying for next week, Lordship, if Lordship can.
You are there?
No, I'm not.
Yes.
As a Lordship.
On prayer of the petitioner, not object to the learned. G. List after 1 week. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Much obliged.
My lord, I'm praying for item number 9 and 11, my lord. I'm for the respondents. I've taken permission from Mr. Sangma, my lord. Let this matter come after 2 weeks, my lord. Item number 9. 11. 11 also I will take.
9 petitioner is absent. No, there is no one here.
I have already informed him, my lord.
You have informed them. So that's why they do not have the 9 and 11.
11 my
I'm for
lord.
the state, Your Lordship.
And I'm for the joint municipal, my lord. I'm for the respondent. So I'm just praying for time, sir. My lord.
No problem.
No problem.
And the petitioner in 11, Your Lordship.
Any problem with the prayer?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Let it come after 2 weeks, my lord.
Okay. 11 is just
Hello.
on prayer. Put the matters just read the problems on prayer made by so and so. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item 12. Lordship, I'm praying to have this matter after 3 weeks. Mr. Number is having some personal difficulty.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'm for the state, Your Lordship.
MP is also a party. Yes. You have objection? No objection. This also on same right same thing on prayer made by the petitioner under object to the learned counsel of the respondents. Just after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship. May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Senior counsel is indisposed, Your Lordship. No objections, Your Lordship.
What matter is this?
This is a CMJ matter, Your Lordship.
This 4 and 5, these are connected.
4 and 5 are connected.
You are in,
I'm in 5.
you are a petitioner in 5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you are also not ready.
I'm also not fully ready yet.
Right, same on prayer meeting. Same thing. Not objected to the respondent. List of 2 weeks.
Lordship, Lordship, Lordship.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 7, Lordship. 7.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, this matter is always they are taking time by private respondent, sometimes district council authority. So anyway, next Monday maybe come up, my lord. After that, I will go outside for 2-3 months.
After 1 week, Lordship, because due to some
1 week. Okay, my lord. Next Monday, my lord.
This also you just like the same thing on prayer made by one for the respondent number so and so. Not object to the learning council for the petitioner. List after 1 week. Yes.
9, my lord. Months.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 21, Your Lordship.
Nothing will remain in the hearing.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Nothing,
weeks
nothing
time,
will
Lordship.
remain in the.
Lordship,
Some prayer made on the respondent. Your respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Prayer made on behalf of the respondent. List after when?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
right, Lordship.
Item number 1.
Your Lordship, I I pray for on behalf of Master D. Thaba that the matter item 1 and 2. Item 1 and 2 will take at the end of the board. Requested by
You are not
D.
there.
Thaba.
You
No,
are
I'm
not
not
there.
a constable.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation, Your Lordship, in this matter. Yeah, Your Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. Emil Nongpure, is having some personal difficulty.
Respondent also is not there.
No, he is.
On joint prayer made with the parties. When?
Your Lordship, after 2 weeks.
On joint prayer made on behalf of the parties. List after 2 weeks.
Item 1 and 2.
Your Lordship, there's an interim order passed. Your Lordship, the interim order may continue.
It is passed in the main case or in the.
In this case, Your Lordship, in this case, number 22 of
This case,
2025.
this along with the main case. Stop interim order. What is the interim order?
Your Lordship, the interim order is that the order dated 10/11/2024, passed in Miss Case number 139 of 2024, arising out of Miss Civil Appeal number 10 of 2024, shall
Case number
remain.
21.
Miss Case number 22 of 2025, Your Lordship.
No, there is miscase in 21. Which? There are 2 matters.
There are two.
There are 2.
Oh, you are in item 1. There is no miscase. Though no interim order.
Your Lordship, the interim order was passed in Miss Case number 22 of 2025, in CRP number 31 of 2025.
So there appears to be interim order in the miscase 21 also. Yeah, same order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why there are 2 cases? There is 2 different cases or
Your Lordship.
okay, there are two miscases. Anyway, just say list along with the main case. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next till the return bullet. Yes.
Item number 2.
Much blessed.
Which one?
Item number 3, sorry.
What?
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the DB matter is still.
Particular matter.
It will come after 4 weeks, your Lordship.
Just see the last order. List after 4 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Hearing item number 8.
Then appears for the petitioner. MS. So is present on behalf of the respondent. List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged. 13.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this is the matter pertaining to the SPB funds, my lord, the diversion of the special purpose vehicle funds, my lord. Here, my lord, what happened was that the petitioner before my lord is the core village, my lord, falling under the Lafarge Omium mining areas, my lord. And my lord, in this matter went up to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court, while allowing mining of the Lafarge, my lord, directed the Lafarge to deposit some amount of money, my lord.
This very matter went to Supreme Court.
Not this very matter, my lord, the subject matter, my lord.
Connected matters.
Yes, connected matters went to the Supreme Court, my lord. And my lord, the Supreme Court directed Lafarge to deposit, my lord, at the rate of rupees 90 per ton, my lord, limestone mined, for every limestone mined, my lord. And the money, the fund, my lord, these are supposed to be used strictly for development of health and education, economy, irrigation, for the overall development of all these within.
There is a kind of policy for that.
Yes, there's a kind of policy for that.
What is that policy called?
That is called a special purpose vehicle society. So this society is supposed to
That is, you are talking about society.
Yes.
Where is the scheme? Which scheme? This society, this existence of society comes from where?
The existence of this society comes from this SPB fund. What happened was that
how it is created.
Yes, I can talk to you. No, how is like this, my lord? I'll just explain, my lord. When the Supreme Court has asked the deposit 90 rupees per ton, my lord, so that's coming to several crores of money, my lord. Now, how do you implement this money, my lord? In order to implement this money, the Supreme Court has also directed the Chief Secretary to form a society, where the Chief Secretary will be the chairman.
So that means that is it has a source from the apex court.
Yes, it has a source from the apex court, because this society is specifically just to overlook that money, the fund, has been utilized for the very purpose of development of this.
So your village is one of the beneficiaries.
Yes, my village is the main village, because it's in my land that Lafarge mining is happening, my lord. So, my lord, here any development activities where the fund is supposed to be used, a local implementation committee, my lord, that is made of my village, my lord, and other villages, has to be consulted. It has to be consulted along with a society which is called the Special Purpose Vehicle Society, along with us, my lord. That has to be consulted. And my lord, the society has also formed what is do's and don'ts with the fund, my lord. One of the grievances that we have.
Where do we get the guidelines? How, in which manner it is to be implemented? That is.
My lord, he wants to say something.
Before my friends proceed with the matter, my lord, if I'm not mistaken, our AG is leading this matter, my lord. So it is taken up on any other date.
Because my grievance is very small, my lord.
The state is not there.
Yes. My lord, in that case, my lord, may I request for a particular date, maybe 17th, my lord, if convenience with all.
Why?
17th.
You are a local council. Why do you want a particular date?
My lord, because I have other matters, my lord, fixed in other high courts. So now I like to adjust, my lord, in that way. So if my lord.
You do one thing, you just collect the date from.
My lord. My lord.
We'll have it after 2 weeks then.
2 weeks, my lord. My lord.
On prayer meet.
Obliged.
On prayer meet by Mr. K.P. Bhattacharya. Granted G. On behalf of the state respondent. Not objected to by Mr. Yubin. Granted counsel appearing for the petition. And list this matter after 2 weeks.
My lord. In the meantime, my lord, I will furnish this SP societies.
Please, you see,
yes.
like that is what we have to decide on that only, nothing
my
else.
lord. Yes.
I don't think there will be any denial that you are not entitled to it and all.
Yes.
What do you say that has been diverted in a different way? It has not been implemented the year.
Yes, that's what.
And what can be the solution if you find that your submission is correct?
Yes.
Then
No,
can we direct it to direct for rediversion of the?
my lord, then my lord, two things, my lord, can't pass an order, my lord. Number one is, my lord, uh, strictly comply with the SOP, because what happens is,
See, one
yes,
second. The question is that just let us make it more specific. You
yes,
said that a 500 has been diverted.
yes, yes,
Now, if that diverted amount has already been utilized,
yes,
that means what has come from leverage that has
yes,
been utilized.
yes,
So there remains no money.
yes,
Then, if you make out a case,
yes,
then what kind of relief you will be entitled to at this stage?
my lord.
We cannot ask leverage to pay again.
No, no, no,
They have done their duty.
absolutely no. Then the PWD has to refund, because it's a PWD road. So therefore, PWD has to refund the money to the SPV fund. That is one thing. But more important, that is what we are more concerned about is my lord, and in order to ensure that in the days to come, my lord, this kind of diversion does not happen, and it has to be strictly adhered with the SOP, my lord. That is more concern for us, my lord. My lord.
We still have more matters. Which matter is there? Oh, item? Who is the counsel for item 20? Yes. And the other side?
No one from the other side, Lordship.
They're not appearing.
No,
You are ready.
I'm ready, Lordship.
20.
Your Lordship, in the last occasion, Your Lordship has directed to supplies to find do research on some authorities. Your Lordship.
What is that case? Just refresh the court.
I've challenged the impeach order, Your Lordship, passed by the District Council Court, Your Lordship, rejecting my application for Order 7 Rule 11, Your Lordship.
You are defendant in the suit. And what is the suit about?
It's they have filed a suit for cancellation my gift deed, Your Lordship. And on the basis of that, Your Lordship, I filed an application under Order 7 Rule 11 for rejection of the plane. However, it was rejected, and I've preferred this application, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in the last occasion, Your Lordship has heard that at length, Your Lordship. However, there's some allegation in the plane, Your Lordship.
Court has heard it at length. So, but the court doesn't remember anything. That is a problem. You have to refresh the court.
Yes,
Come to the factual background.
Yes, Your Lordship. I have challenged the suit, Your Lordship, on the ground that the gift was not a conditional gift, Your Lordship.
Just before that, just give a factual aspect first.
Yes, Your Lordship. The gift was gifted.
How you are the defendant?
Defendant in the suit.
How yourself and plaintiff you are related? Which way?
I'm the daughter.
With the daughter.
Yes, Your Lordship. It was gifted, and then thereafter they have filed.
Now you are and the plaintiff was
my mother. Yes, Your Lordship.
The plaintiff gifted you.
Yes, Your Lordship. Thereafter, on the allegation that I have offered this the gifted property.
Plaintiff gifted you the property by executing a sale deed.
Yes, gift.
That was it was a registered sale deed.
Gift deed.
Sorry, gifted.
Gift
Sorry,
deed.
it
Yes,
was
Your
a
Lordship.
registered gifted.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And then
thereafter, Your Lordship, on the allegation that I have offered the gifted property to a third party for sale, they have preferred the suit, Your Lordship, for cancellation of my gift deed. However,
the violation of the condition.
No, there's no condition as such in the gift deed, Your Lordship.
But then, according to them.
Yes, according to them.
Okay.
So, Your Lordship, thereafter, I've preferred a application on the Order 7 Rule 11 for rejection of claim, but that is barred by law under Section 126 Transfer of Property Act, that it is not a conditional gift. So, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, Your Lordship has gone through the claim, Your Lordship, which is at page number 19. Page number 19, Your Lordship.
This the other side was served.
Yes, Your Lordship, it was served, but however, none has appeared and has been proceeded ex parte.
This is order to proceed ex parte.
Yes, Your Lordship. Page 19, Your Lordship. Your Lordship has seen that there's some doubt regarding the free consent gifted when the property was gifted, Your Lordship, which is at page 7, Your Lordship.
What is the status of the suit now?
Now it's for free suggested issues, Your Lordship.
They are contesting. The plaintiff is.
They also, Your Lordship, they have been absent, Your Lordship, for some time.
And then the suit is not dismissed.
No, Your Lordship.
They are absent for some times. For
some
how many occasions they are absent?
Since the time that application was heard, Your Lordship, the Order 7 Rule 11.
What is the date of that?
This
is at least now 3-4 months at least.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It is order impugn order is 9/7/2020.
Yes, Your Lordship. Since that time, Your Lordship.
They are not appearing.
No, Your Lordship.
And the suit has not been this thing dismissed.
They have reissued notice, Your Lordship. However, none has appeared also.
Why the council has withdrawn this?
Your Lordship,
why court has issued notice to them? Reissued notice to them because they are the plaintiff. It is their duty to pursue the case.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, actually what had happened is that on the day when the Order 711 was heard, Your Lordship, even the council has prayed for withdrawal of the suit.
Is it?
Yes, Your Lordship. However, the trial court had rejected that prayer, Your Lordship, and heard the
Has it been
application.
recorded?
Yes, Your Lordship. It's on record. It's in the
order, impugn order?
In the impugn order, Your Lordship. is page 13, Your Lordship. Page 13, paragraph 5. In page 13.
Okay.
In response, learned counsel for the plaintiff simply submits that the plaintiff does not propose to pursue the suit and intend to withdraw the same. However, no formal application for withdrawal of the suit has been filed. Consequently, the court is required to adjudicate the application on merits. The grounds that I have preferred in this revision, Your Lordship, is that it is barred by law under 126.
What,
and
126 TP Act?
126 TP Act, Your Lordship.
But what does it say?
It says that for revocation of the gift deed, Your Lordship, 126.
Okay.
Gift may be gift may be suspended or revoked. The donor and the donee may agree that on happening of any specified event which does not depend on the will of the donor, a gift shall be suspended or revoked, but a gift which the parties agree shall be revocable wholly or in part, at the mere will of the donor, is void wholly or in part, as the case may be. A gift may also be revoked in any of the cases save one or failure of constitution, in which if it were a contract, it might be rescinded. Your Lordship, the last occasion, Your Lordship had stressed on this second point, Your Lordship, whereby Your Lordship had asked whether 126 will bind or not if there's a doubt in at the time of gifting the property, Your Lordship. Your Lordship has directed that authorities may be fined on that aspect. However, Your Lordship, I was not able to find much, Your Lordship. However, there's one judgment, Your Lordship.
See, once the plaintiff, they themselves show their desire not to pursue the suit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Was it necessary for us to go into depth into all those questions, whether your contention of, you see, like 126 and all is applicable or not?
Your Lordship, if Order 7 Rule 11 is accepted, Your Lordship, it will amount to decree. So it will, for them to challenge it also, it will have to by way of
appeal,
Your Lordship. So if Order 711 is accepted, Your Lordship, it will be amount to decree. So that's why, Your Lordship, have preferred it. This, if at all, the suit may be rejected, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I had also supplied the judgments, Your Lordship, on the last occasion regarding the first part of Section 126, that there should be a...
that is Delhi High Court?
Yes, Your Lordship, that there should be express conditions in the gift itself, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship, Your Lordship had wanted like the second part of the section, whether the gift can be rescinded or not. My submission is that, Your Lordship, as per the judgment that I have got, Your Lordship, one judgment is that if the gift
Now, if you go by 126,
Yes, Lordship.
the proviso says that when there is a specific agreement between donor and donee,
Yes, Lordship.
okay,
Yes,
that
Lordship.
a specified event which doesn't depend on the will of the donor
Yes, Lordship.
is not been performed,
Yes,
it can be revoked.
It can be revoked.
But then there cannot be any, you see, like revocation
Yes, Your Lordship.
at the mere will of the donor,
Donor. Yes, Your Lordship.
isn't it?
Lordship. Yes, Your
It's like even if the gift deed contains a clause,
Lordship.
the donor, whenever donor want will cancel it without any purpose. So these also, that stipulation also cannot be valid,
Yes, Your Lordship.
isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
And then the proviso, the first proviso says a gift may also be revoked in any of the cases save want or failure of consideration in which if a contract were, it may be rescinded. So according to you, there is no such stipulation in the thing.
In the gift deed itself, Your Lordship, there's no such express condition that this gift can be revoked.
Where is your gift deed?
It's page 33, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Page 33.
Any condition?
No conditions, Your Lordship.
There is no condition attached.
No conditions, like if in the happening of any event, Your Lordship, that the gift may be revoked or suspended. There's no such condition in the gift itself, Your Lordship.
And what is their contention in the suit?
The contention, Your Lordship, what Your
In the
Lordship...
suit, what they say? What is? Just do not have to go there. Just tell us. Tell
Yes,
us.
Your Lordship. What Your Lordship has stressed last occasion is that at the time of gifting the property, Your Lordship, there's some contention in the plain that it was obtained by some deception.
See, one problem is there. When it comes to Order 7, Rule 11,
Yes, Your Lordship.
you may be correct in your contention.
Lordship.
That yes, that the gift deed, there is no condition stipulated in the gift deed.
Lordship.
But then is it not that that has to be established in the evidence? It is not a case that
Lordship.
if we just go through the plaint,
Lordship.
okay, then you see no case is made out.
Lordship.
Even if we accept it. But then I think in their plaint, rightly or wrongly, they have made an averment that there is some condition attached.
That's right.
So this becomes subject matter of trial then.
Yes, Your Lordship. Just to help the court, Your Lordship, because Your Lordship has stressed on the second part of Section 126. Your Lordship, I'm also would like to supply some judgments which enlighten the court that...
What is the position of law in there? Just tell us.
Yes, Your Lordship. If the contract, Your Lordship, which is doubted, Your Lordship, it can be revoked, Your Lordship.
See, whether there is a contract or not, that is the question.
Yes, Your Lordship.
According to you, that there exists no such contract. Contract. Because the gift deed is silent.
Lordship.
Okay, about revocation, the gift deed contains nothing, so it is silent.
Lordship.
Isn't it? That is your case. But the plaintiff case is that there was a stipulation as such. Now, is it not that it has to be proved in evidence? Even if you say it is correct, but then since there is a statement in the plaint, that has to be proved or disproved.
Yes, Your Lordship. I agree, Your Lordship, because
Yes.
I agree, Your Lordship, because from what I have researched also, Your Lordship, if the gift is doubted, Your Lordship, it has to be proved at the trial, Your Lordship, which is because it is barred by Section 19 of the Indian Contract Act, which is not a free consent, Your Lordship.
See, we are not, till now, I don't think there is any questioning the validity of the gift deed here.
Lordship.
Gift deed is valid.
Lordship.
Okay, you have not challenged the validity of gift,
Yes,
isn't it? Because this gift deed is in your favor.
Lordship.
Your sole contention is that gift deed contains no condition attached to it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So when there is no condition attached to which is unconditional,
Unconditional.
there is no question of revocation
Lordship.
on the plea of violation of any of the conditions by you.
Lordship.
That is your case.
Lordship.
You have taken us to the gift deed, and we find that there is no conditions, no such condition. You are correct there.
Lordship.
But then when we come to plaint,
Lordship.
then we find that there is a statement made.
Lordship.
Okay,
Lordship.
that certain condition is there, that you have to come and reside with your mother and all.
Lordship.
Okay. Now, when such kind of assertion is made in the plaint,
Lordship.
how section 7, so how order 7 rule 11 be exercised?
I bow down, Your Lordship.
Yes. Just tell us.
Yes,
If there is, if the court thing is wrong, you just make it correct. Just say it.
Thank you, Lordship. Since this is some allegation.
See, their statement in the plaint
Yes, Lordship.
may be apparently incorrect, but then that has to be proved in evidence.
In evidence, Your Lordship.
Because the law says that while exercising jurisdiction
Lordship.
under order 7 rule 11,
Lordship.
it must be that the bare reading of the plaint, no case is made out.
Lordship.
The court should presume that whatever is stated in the plaint is accepted as correct.
Lordship.
Once you accept it as correct, and even in spite of that, if no case is made out, then only the power can be exercised.
Lordship.
But then here, if we accept the statement made in the plaint, we cannot exercise that power.
Lordship. Since this contention is there, Your Lordship, I think it has to be proceeded on for trial, Your Lordship. I'm not pressing on anymore on the first part, Your Lordship, because it's not a mutual agreement for revocation. It's
So
how
the
it
question,
is.
even if it is first part or second part, whatever it is, order 7 rule 11 comes only if there is no case made out,
Lordship.
despite accepting all the statement made in the plaint as correct.
Lordship.
Then,
It has to be proceeded, Your Lordship, for trial because.
then what is to be done here now? Then, what remains for you then here?
Your Lordship, my only prayer is to direct the court for dismissal of the suit because in the instant also, Your Lordship.
But then that we cannot do it here. That you have to do it there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You do one thing. See, you do not know. You have to make that prayer before the trial court.
Your Lordship.
If there is a refusal of that, then only you come.
All right, Your Lordship.
We understand you have a good case.
Your Lordship.
As you have shown, definitely at this stage, this court also thinks the plaintiff doesn't have a case on merits.
Your Lordship.
But then we are bound by whatever stated in the plaint.
Your Lordship.
That is what the problem is. And you know that.
Your Lordship.
It appears that you are a very fair lawyer. You are placing law correctly before the court.
Your Lordship.
Okay, so that is what we appreciate. This court appreciates that approach of a lawyer.
All right, Your Lordship.
Okay. Now, we do not know. Then I do not know. Then you withdraw your case. You approach the trial court. That is the only thing appears to be. Otherwise, this court will have to pass an order dismissing you.
That side also, it's fixed today, Your Lordship, for appearance.
So that is okay. Have you appeared?
No, Your Lordship, I'm going to appear now.
You should go and appear.
After
when
me,
you
Your Lordship.
know, when you know the position of law,
Yeah.
then why? And since once the other side has already showed their intention of not contesting it,
Your Lordship.
you go and press your case for dismissal there.
Your Lordship. If some,
Oh, this court is no one to
If-
advise
if
you.
some
You are
direction-
not bound by what the court says also, isn't it? You should take your independent
Your
decision.
Lordship. If some direction, Your Lordship, so that the trial court may consider on the question of withdrawal also, Your Lordship, because last occasion the
Yes,
court
then
has stressed
see-
that no proper application was filed.
That is
for
okay,
withdrawal.
but then if they have not filed a proper application, will it mean that the trial court will just sit idle with this suit? Order 9 is there, isn't it?
Your Lordship.
The default of appearance of plaintiff,
Lordship.
what court should do. Show
Lordship.
that provision to the court,
Yes, Your Lordship.
if at all. So what you'll do, you'll withdraw this petition with the liberty to approach the trial court.
Your Lordship.
Of course,
Yes,
not with the same application against, because order 7 will remain.
Your Lordship. I'll withdraw, Your Lordship. With liberty.
We'll just say that you have stated that since the other side is not appearing there also. Okay.
Lordship.
Hard. You see, you have to take a voluntary decision. You should not come under pressure because the court is telling you.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If you want, you can take time, think over, and come back. Shall we keep it after 1 week?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You
after
appear.
1 week. Your Lordship, after 1 week.
That is better. You are a young counsel. You should take conscious decision. You should not be. You should not have that kind of feelings that later, just because of the court, you are compelled to withdraw. Should not be. Should not be. And if you are not inclined to withdraw, also, then we will pass. But then you should have all. You are Mr. Malang.
Malangyang.
Malangyang.
Malangyang, Your Lordship.
Malangyang. For how long you are practicing, Mr.?
7 years, Your Lordship.
7 years. Quite a long time. Yes, just one prayer made by the learned counsel for the petitioner. When shall we keep it? After 1 week, 2 weeks?
After 1 week, Your Lordship.
After 1 week. And please do the things, unnecessary exercise. You see, when you get the relief there, why to unnecessary? Or if you get relief with the other way, easier way, you should go for that. Just after 1 week. No other matter. Take a conscious decision.